Friends, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is ways to stay healthy in life, ways to stay healthy and build healthy habits. So how can we do that? So building healthy habits is nothing more very difficult, but sometimes it becomes difficult, so we have to see through few things and try to understand how we can build such a healthy habit. So first of all comes that to have a healthy habit, exercise is the most important thing that we once we get up in the morning, and we should have this kind of exercise attitude. But what happens is once we start it, we do it 2-3 days, for 2-3 days, then we start then our body starts to feel lazy, mind starts to feel lazy. So why this happens? Because we don't make small goals, we don't make small goals that we are going to do this just for 1 week or just for 2 weeks. So if in this way we start to think that we are going to set our targets, and of course we after 2-3 months we will understand that how it's beneficial for us, and our body would urge to go for exercise and to warm itself, because the body gets lots of warmth and exercises. And I would suggest, when you are doing some exercises, in the initial process try to have some low volume music, some low rhythm music. That would definitely help you to stay motivated and entertained, because these are not the all of this just it sounds like very childish, but this is really important. Many childish things would help you to get to a greater height in life and achieve greater sorts of goals. So next comes healthy eating habits. So healthy eating habits, this is also another tough thing. I can see many people are not interested in eating veggies and healthy stuffs. They don't like it because they feel these are boring, and they feel that these foods are not good in eating. So it's like they treat like a medicine. They don't try to eat those kind of things. So you can alter things. You can eat veggies in different by making different curries, by making different kind of soups, which you can find recipes on the YouTube, and you can make those veggies love to yourself. You can make yourself love to those veggies, and this way you will get to know different recipes. This way you will get to know some new ideas to cook, and these are really thrilling things, as I myself prefer to learn new things and feel very excited and thrilled when I get to learn some new recipes. So friends, you can also try that. So next comes don't take unnecessary stress. This mental stress also creates a very unhealthy nature within oneself. So taking stress is a normal thing, but once you start to take life very in a lighter mode, of course you will not get in that kind of blockage attitude. You won't take stress. Because why we take stress? Because we take things very seriously, and we are more interested in materialistic life. We feel that if we don't have lots and lots of money, lots and lots of stuff, so we are not going to be happy in life. So this is completely a very much foolish attitude. So I have lots of videos in my channel. You can go and see that self-love attitude, maybe lots of encouraging videos I have created. You can do watch them and try to understand them, try to follow them in your life. Once you start to follow, you will get the result, because it's you are the master of your life. So we can guide only. Here I can only guide, and you have to follow those things in your life to bring changes in your life. So next comes unnecessary stress. Taking unnecessary stress is going to create a lots of hamper within oneself. Try to do small activities in your own way. Try to do some activities in your own way. Try to do it in your own way. Try to think that this is what you are doing. You are the owner of this, and you are trying to do it in your own way. Once you are succeeded in that way, and you feel more like a king, and you feel that you are the creator of your life, and you can create lots of things, and you have brought your creativity back within yourself. So next comes, it's that very few people are taking walks and going outside on their weekends. They rather try to go to some pubs or try to go to some restaurants and eating unhealthy food. So rather you try to have some healthy food, try to make some pulses, some boiled pulses and put masalas on that, try to make some milk like milkshakes with some nuts or peanuts, etc. You can find those recipes on the YouTube, and try to take a walk in the forest nearby you or some parks. Take your kids to the parks, and then you can see that these are really very much charming. It creates a charming within oneself. It makes the life brighter. So next one, my last point comes that you should have a very gratitude attitude towards universe every day when you get up in the morning and go to sleep. While go to sleep, before you go to sleep, so you have to just say few affirmations, and you have to feel within yourself that you are thankful to this universe, that you have life, you have a house, car, you have money, whatever you have, you should be grateful about that. Because many of the people out there, they don't have these things. They don't get the peaceful sleep in the night. So these are the most costliest thing in this world. That's why many people get this and many people doesn't get. People who have got this are the luckiest ones. So you are the luckiest one. You have to feel that in yourself. Unless you start to feel those things, you are not going to enjoy your entire life. So friends, these were the basic points and very essential points. You can find lots of points, more points you can add. You can comment me and write down what else points do you have in your life and you follow them. Of course, I would like to explore those things and know from you. So here are the basic points I've given you that you should follow and stay healthy in your life and be in your own enjoy your life and be your own self. So I have lots of videos about everything. I have discussed pretty broadly about self-love, about creating confidence, build confidence, emotional abuse, everything. So you can go and check out and see and try to learn it from, because these are very transforming sessions that I'm giving you through video and for free. So of course you should take advantage of that and learn from it and transform your life. So friends, thanks for today, and I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope you have got a clear guide on the basics about staying healthy. So stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye. Love you all.